So we're trying to figure out how to get data on and off the PlayStation 2 running the official Sony PlayStation 2 Linux. We can't seem to get it to talk to the network at Georgia Tech, and so I took it home and I'm trying to get it to talk to the network at the house, and it just doesn't even seem to recognize that anything's plugged into the Ethernet on boot. It just kind of hangs there for a bit and then keeps going. And so we also tried a standard USB stick. This is a pretty old one. I think it's just 16 megabytes. I thought something older might work better. And plugging it in, I get this note about USB device 3 is not claimed by any active driver. But remember, this kit, I think it's from 2001 or 2002. It's pretty old. I'll have to go look that up. So, yeah, it's not likely to have a lot of good support for anything modern-ish. So if anyone has any ideas on how we can get data on or off this machine, I would love to hear about it. Thanks. Okay, so I'm trying to get the network working again. I'm logged in as root, and I'm plugged into number 3 here, or I should say I'm about to plug into number 3. Okay, so I plugged it in, and it says that auto negotiation is complete, 100 megabits per second, full duplex mode. You need if up ETH, I'm guessing ETH 0. And going over to my router interface here, it does say number 3 is up, 100 megabits per second. Let's see, what does this do? Auto detect. Oh, okay, so it auto detected, I guess. Okay, so I typed if up ETH 0, determining IP information for ETH 0. Oh, double fail. It says operation failed. And then it also says failed. Oh, sadness. Help.